I don't know what that dream is that you have. I don't care how disappointing it might have been as you've been working toward that dream. That dream that you're holding in your mind, that it's possible.
But they feel like stuff that you have to do. This is something that I wanted to do, and this is something cool to commemorate that.
That some of you already know that it's hard.
Just thank you guys. As much as I wanted YouTube to work and everything, I didn't think that it would. Just thank you guys so much for 1 million subscribers. You guys have no idea how much you've changed my life.
That in the process of working on your dreams, you are going to incur a lot of disappointment, a lot of failure, a lot of pain. There are moments when you're going to doubt yourself.
And you gotta believe in yourself. You gotta be good to yourself. You gotta be good to the person that you are, because you're all you got. You gotta make that goal and you gotta make it happen.
The secret to success, there's a couple of elements that are important in success. First of all, is your own level of expectation. You also have to learn to be happy with what you achieved sometimes. It's impossible in life to always achieve exactly what you have in the back of your head. So you need to learn also to be happy with what you achieved, even if it's only half of what you had in mind at first. I like a quote of John Lennon, life's what's happening to you when you're busy making other plans. And that is what I keep telling my wife as well, and a lot of people around me. You always expect something, and then something along the way comes, and then you have to alter your path again. You know, life is a roller coaster ride for everybody. It has its ups and its downs. But if everything goes well, you'll have more ups than downs. And you'll remember the ups more than you'll remember the downs. But it's a fact of the matter that everybody, no matter if you're a big artist, a successful artist, or a successful businessman, everybody works hard to get somewhere, and everybody has a certain passion. And I want to stress that the word passion is probably the most important in that. You have to really, really, really want something. And I think in life, it's so much more easy if you are devoted and dedicated to something. If you like your job, no, not like your job, love your job, you'll be 200% good at it because you're passionate about it. So ask yourself on a daily basis, is what I'm doing right now, is it something I love?